Well, good snowy morning here. First day of snow on the homestead of the season. I don't even know what date it is anymore because I don't even look at my calendar. I think it's like November 16th. There's like a few inches of snow on the ground here. The kids have already been out running around. Made some snow angels over there. Everything's all covered up. Hopefully it doesn't last too long. The buses were canceled. I have a lot to do still before it gets too snowy. Gardens are covered over there. You can see the Brussels sprouts poking through. We'll head over there in a second. But here we are. Oh yeah, we got some horses too. 2 horses. But started working on another shelter here because the lean-to we had was just a temporary thing. We got all the posts in yesterday just in time for the snow and before the frost hits. But here we go. First day of snow on the homestead. Not ready for it yet. Too much to do. Well, let's take a walk over here to the veggies. I guess I won't be harvesting the spinach I wanted. It's covered in the snow. So I really want to get a greenhouse set up in the garden area here so that I can really extend my season here and harvest more stuff. I still have carrots in the ground and some beets that I'd like to get out into some kale there. And what else do I have over here? Some leeks I should have dug out. But here we go. Got some cabbages still buried. I should have harvested these guys. Just haven't had time. But here you go. Brussels sprouts are fine with the snow. I might harvest some of these guys today. We'll see what happens. But here you go. We harvested some last week and they're really good. But there you go. Just want to show you the first day of snow here on the homestead. Real exciting. Usually I get excited for snow because I used to ski. Haven't skied in a while, which kind of sucks. But I'm going to try to get out this year once or twice hopefully. And then it'll be more enjoyable, the snow. So I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you have got snow, I think most of Ontario got snow here. Enjoy your snowy day.